Hi everyone, it's Farah, and today I'll answer how long it typically takes to see results from red light therapy. I'm going to go into a little bit more depth and explain the timeline from 1 week all the way to like 6 months for different skin concerns and support it with scientific evidence where I can. So this gives you an idea of what to expect within each time frame. So if you're wondering how long it takes for acne or anti-aging, this will give you a little bit of an idea of what to expect and how long to keep consistently using it for so you can achieve those results. So let's get started. So talking about 1 to 4 weeks of use of red light therapy, this is where you kind of start to get the initial changes, and there will be a little bit more surface changes and some skin concerns. So I'm going to start with kind of like the skin inflammation reduction within 1 to 4 weeks. So within the first few weeks, users have reported a reduction in skin redness and skin inflammation. For example, conditions like cystic acne or rosacea. These skin conditions see the earliest benefits as the red light therapy calms the inflamed skin and helps reduce irritation. So I spoke about this on one of my other videos on how does red light therapy work. I'll go into a little bit more detail on that, and those are the sort of first signs that you kind of see from using red light therapy for 1 to 4 weeks. Another result that people see within the 1 to 4 weeks is increased skin radiance. So your skin's like glowing. Some users from research have noticed that their skin is more radiant and glowing, and this can be as immediate as within the 1 week of using it. And that's all due to sort of the blood circulation, increased blood circulation, and sort of the enhanced cellular repair that's already going on from the first week of use. To back up these visible results that I'm talking about in 1 to 4 weeks, there was a study that was published, and it found that users using red light therapy consistently as a regular treatment showed improved skin inflammation and also improved skin smoothness as well. So 4 to 8 weeks, this is where you will see the noticeable improvements, and this is where the bulk of improvements happen on your skin for different skin concerns. It does depend on the severity of your skin concern, which I'll go through a little bit later in the video and talk about a little bit more, but it does depend on that. But in this section is where you will see a lot more results. Firstly, this is when you can start to see an improvement in sort of your fine lines and wrinkles and improvements in this. So your fine lines will start to soften, wrinkles will start to soften. And this is because this is where the collagen production really starts to kick in. So in some people, it can take up to 40 days for the production of collagen. And that's, in sort of as your skin gets older. So 4 to 8 weeks is around about the mark when this kicks in, and you will start to see sort of visibly firmer and plumper skin. Around this time, you will also notice improvements in skin texture because it becomes smoother as more damaged cells are replaced with healthier ones, and cells are also repaired. So you will notice, your skin looking and feeling a lot more smoother. And those of you with skin concerns with acne or, sun damage or rough patches, this is where you'll start to see these noticeable results coming through in your skin texture. And to sort of support this, there was a study that found significant improvements in wrinkles, skin smoothness, and skin tone after just 8 weeks of using red light therapy regularly. So, it is around the time when you will start to notice this. I think some people expect skin textural issues to start, results start coming in around 2 weeks. But if I'm talking about sort of repairing cells and all those cellular structures being repaired, then it does take a while. So 4 to 8 weeks is when you should be looking for these changes. So after 8 to 12 weeks of using red light therapy, this is when you start to see more significant changes in your skin. So by this time, significant changes in collagen production can be observed, leading to sort of your visible, firmer, more elasticity in your skin. The skin will also feel more resilient, and deeper wrinkles and sagging also may start to improve. With sagging, it's a little bit difficult to say because it depends on your skin, but majority of people start to see improvements around this time in terms of sort of sagging as the collagen production has increased as well. You'll also start to see hyperpigmentation, age spots, and other forms of discoloration or pigmentation that tend to fade away during this period as new cells replace older damaged ones and your skin tone starts to appear more balanced and even. So this is a really good treatment for people who've got mild to moderate hyperpigmentation issues and they're looking for a non-invasive treatment to help them to reduce this. And the reason why red light therapy works for hyperpigmentation is because it goes down to that level where the melanocytes are and it starts to disperse the melanocytes. So the melanocytes, that's when they come together and group together and they cause the dark sort of marks or discoloration and pigment. And as red light therapy disperses them, they start to fade away. It does depend, pigmentation is a difficult one because it does depend on how long you've had the pigmentation, how deep it is. So I did say mild to moderate. The more deeper pigmentation you have, then you do need to have more resurfacing treatments like a chemical peel or a laser treatment to help with that. So again, to support that, there's a study that shows collagen density and skin elasticity significantly improved within 8 to 12 weeks of consistent use of red light therapy. So if you're finding this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more expert tips and information on red light therapy. So after 3 to 6 months of consistent red light therapy, most people will see the full anti-aging benefits, including reduced wrinkles, firmer skin, improved elasticity, and, a bit more of a younger appearance. And this is when I think you really should be waiting for your results to kick in. A lot of people give red light therapy only, like a month or 8 weeks to, and they expect all the full benefits. But 3 to 6 months is really where you will start to see them. And as I mentioned before, the reason why 3 to 6 months and not an exact date is because it depends on various factors like your skin concerns when they start, were they mild, moderate, or severe, your age, depends on your skin health generally. And there's lots of factors in there. So some people would see great results and the full benefits within 3 months, whereas with some people it could take 6 months. So do give this technology and this therapy that much chance to work and really see the full benefits, especially for anti-aging. Apart from anti-aging, you'll also see really good overall skin health. Your skin will appear healthier, fewer signs of damage, better hydration in your skin as well, more even skin tone and smoother texture. So this is when you start to see all of these, and all these benefits that I'm talking about, they really start to come together during this 3 to 6 month period. And there's a study that was published in the Journal of Cosmetic and Laser Therapy, and it found that the full results, especially in reducing wrinkle depth and increasing skin elasticity, were typically seen after 3 to 6 months of regular use. So that just goes to show that consistency is key, and have kept saying that throughout all my red light therapy videos, but it is just so true. The number of people I've seen just giving up after a month or after 2 months saying, it's not working. I think we're in that era where we want really quick results and we want things to really work quickly, but unfortunately some therapies, because they are non-invasive, they do take more time. If you are looking at sort of working on the internal structures in your skin, they do take time. They have their own timelines of cell production, cell repair, cell regeneration. They all have a certain timeline, and you need to kind of just work with your skin and these structures to get the most out of it. Obviously, this is just, like I said earlier, a general timeline, and expecting everybody to fit within this timeline would be completely wrong, as everybody's skin is so different. The results aren't instant because therapy works by boosting your natural healing processes, but with regular use, the improvements are long lasting. So the good thing about red light therapy, the reason why it's long lasting is because once you've built that collagen, once you've repaired that cell, nothing's going to come and take that away. But yes, they will get damaged with, sun exposure, pollution, all those things. So you need to just be consistent and keep on top of it. and that is where you will really see the benefits of red light therapy, and you will really see the benefits for your skin as well. Our next video coming up is really exciting, where I'm talking about the best affordable light therapy devices. So if you're interested in sort of introducing red light therapy into your skincare routine and you're looking at what you can use, do check out my next video where I'm talking about the most affordable devices that you can use as a starter in red light therapy. So you won't want to miss it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.